Everywhere I go, they call me Cash Madam, say me fresh and clean, call me Cash Madam, anything you know I got it. Cash Madam, baby, Cash Madam, Cash Madam. V-Money.
Don't cut you mind, we 100. You make a boy sick and a boy well. Nothing my eyes see my mouth, you don't tell her. I ain't that rain cause I give you umbrella. I thought we in this together. Give you my necklace, pendant. Give you my last card you spend. I showed you my best friend. I thought we in this together. Give you my necklace.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys this amazing wig. Okay, so this wig is a headband wig by Luvme here right now. I'm showing you the package. Like, it came with a lot of stuff, but first of all I want to show you guys the wig. Okay, so this is like some of the stuff they sent to me, and sorry, I have cold. So this is the headband wig. Okay, so this is a curly texture, very cute. I think it's a body wave, if I'm not correct. The link is down below with a discount code for you girls out there. So all the details about this wig is going to be in the description box, so check it out. It came with, I think, 5 headbands. Yeah, 5 headbands. Like, in any occasion you can wear this. Okay, so the headbands are so cute. Like, I love them. I love the white one mostly. These are the headbands over here.
I give you my last card you spend. Everything I do I under understand. Oh baby, under me no fit to understand. The thing when you do me under I no fit to understand. Oh no, under I no fit to understand. I thought we in this.
Okay guys, so right now I'm going to show you the edges bands. Okay, so this is the headband for your edges. It's very long in case if you have big hair. This is the brush for your edges, and this right here is a mirror. So cute, tiny. You can put it in your handbag, like you can put it in your pocket. So cute, I love it. So guys, let me allow you to watch this video and enjoy it with me. It's short, so you can watch the whole thing. Okay, so because it's very easy to install. So guys, we'll see you in my next video. Bye.
You don't cut you mind, we 100. You make a boy sick and a boy well. Nothing my eyes see my mouth, you don't tell her. I ain't that rain cause I give you umbrella. I thought we in this together. Give you my necklace, pendant. Give you my last card you spend. I showed you my best friend. I thought we in this together. Give you my necklace, pendant. Show you my best friend. I give you my last card you spend. Everything I do I under me, I know fit under I know fit understand. That thing way I do me under I know fit understand. Oh no, under I know fit understand. All of my friends are beautiful them. I don't mind, I beg it condemn. I don't fight the uniform man. All who can you face the problem, oh no. See, turn the fire that you're raising. See, turn the fire that you're raising. I thought we in this together. Give you my necklace, pendant. Give you my last card you spend. I showed you my best friend. I thought we in this together. Give you my necklace, pendant. Showed you my best friend. I give you my last card you spend. Everything I do I under understand. Oh baby, under me no fit to understand. The thing when you do me under I no fit to understand. thought we in this together. Give you my necklace, pendant. Show you my best friend, your friend. I give you my last card, just spend it. Baby, under, if you understand. Oh no, under, I know if you understand. You don't cut in my way 100. You make a boy sick and a boy well. Nothing my eyes see, my mouth don't tell her. I enter in cause I give you umbrella. I thought we in this together. Give you my necklace, pendant. Give you my last card, you spend. I showed you my best friend, your friend. I thought we in this together. Give you my necklace, pendant. Show you my best friend, your friend. I give you my last card, you spend. Everything I do, I under 50 under. Me I know fit under 50 understand. That thing way I do, me under 50 understand. Oh no, under 50 understand.